Guys, we're back home. We're doing a review on the Rite in the Rain notebook. This is their all-weather journal, and this came around for $6. No, $7 at EMS. So, first off, I'm gonna go over what it is pretty much. So it's got a plastic to protect the paper, like most notebooks have. It just has its name, has a guy hiking in the bush, it seems. Has everything. It seems it's made in the USA. Bonus. Always a bonus with these things. And it shows their product line on the back, some of their products. Alright, so the paper's made of, has like an overcoat or something on it, so we're just gonna take off a piece, get the majestic Disney water bottle out, and we're going to put some, let's see, let me show you. See, water bottle. What did you say? Let's see. Right, there we go. We got some water in there. Now, oh no, it's raining. It's getting drenched. All right. As you see, you might not be able to see it, but it's kind of wet, so there we go. That's pretty wet now. Alright, it's pretty wet now. We just got a average your average pen. Now let's see if we can write on this. That's cool. Alright, we're just doing some scribbles. And you can write on it. Very cool product for how much money it is. You'd think it'd be like $100. Not really. That's a little outrageous. But yeah, that's cool. Obviously, it says Rite in the Rain on it. And before, this dried when it was raining when I got this, of course. And I just put it in a puddle. And 4 minutes later, it was perfectly dry. So this is reusable. And yeah, so yeah, that's that test. And it's got your lines and everything, and it says Rite in the Rain cursive down there. There you go. And it's got a lot of pages, and it's a pretty good quality thing. Wow, this is actually drying off very fast. Very quality. Somebody had a good idea, a really extremely good idea when they made this. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a video next week, probably once I get a hard drive for this old Chromebook, I'll probably be able to upload videos with my camera up there. And yeah, I'm going to tell you who I think this is for, and yeah, this should be for a guy that wants to be able to write in the rain, obviously. And if you're writing for a survival scenario or something, and you don't want to lose, and you're hanging this somewhere you camped earlier, just in case somebody found it, it won't get all messed up and everything. So yeah. and will slowly melt into your hands like a wick with water. Alright, so this would be perfect for survival tents, bug out bags, survival kits, survival pouches, survival vest, hunting kits, adventure bags, maybe even just a all-around carry item if it rains a lot where you live. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video I make. Alright guys, this is Ethan, signing off. Bye guys.